Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Fitia app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Fitia app. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Fitia app. If you find updates, then you will update your app to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.